This is why you shouldn't fear required practicals in A-level biology. So required practicals might feel daunting, but here are my 6 top tips to score top marks, with number 6 being probably the most important. And if you find this helpful, please follow the channel for more A-level biology top tips. So the first thing is to know the aim. Always start by asking yourself, what's the purpose of this experiment? If you know what you're testing or measuring, then it's a lot easier to put the other pieces into place. The second one is to review the method. Now, normally you'd be given this, so you don't need to memorize it step by step, but it is worth understanding why you're doing each one. This makes it a lot easier to reflect on the questions and answer them quickly and accurately. The third thing is to know the variables, so what are your independent, dependent, and control variables. Being clear on these, particularly if you're writing about them for a question, is key to scoring top marks. The fourth point is to collect your data carefully, so make sure you're using the correct, precise equipment, repeat your readings where possible, and note any anomalies. Accuracy and reliability are always going to be rewarded. As a side to this though, it is usually okay to have an anomalous result as long as you deal with it appropriately. And by this I mean make sure you identify them clearly, provide a possible reason for their occurrence, and then show how you'd improve if you did it again. The fifth thing is to be confident with data. So you need to be ready to process results into graphs, perform calculations, or identify patterns. Then you need to link your findings back to the theory. If the data and numbers are a weak spot for you, then make sure you practice them before the experiment and until you feel confident. And the sixth and probably most important is to provide a thorough evaluation. Mention possible errors, improvements, and limitations. Examiners love it when you back up your findings with the science and provide real reasons and solutions to the outliers. It shows you know what you're talking about. Follow these tips and you'll fly through your required practicals.